PRC2 is your vaccine central, and the booster shot debate is getting heated.
The CDC advisory panel meeting again today after debating hours yesterday. KPRC2 Vaccine Central team member and Houston's only TV health reporter Haley Hernandez has the very latest.
Pfizer's booster just got the FDA's emergency use authorization for 65 and up, and today a CDC panel says people 18 and up, depending on individual risk, should also get a booster. Now we wait to see if the CDC director signs off. Now, you might already know people who are getting boosters, but so far it was supposed to be limited to the immune compromised, and here's why it's changing daily. The FDA and CDC both have advisory panels of outside scientists, and they listen to Pfizer's data on different days to determine whether, in this case, a booster shot is needed. After hearing all the data, they agree on the wording for a recommendation that will then go to the CDC to fine-tune the recommendation and talk about where to go from there. Why have we only heard from Pfizer? Moderna and Johnson & Johnson have been pacing behind Pfizer with clinical trials the whole time. They've yet to submit their booster data to the FDA in order to get a hearing for emergency use. It is expected that data will come, and people who received Moderna and Johnson & Johnson will know what to do soon. If you got Johnson & Johnson, can you get an mRNA vaccine for a booster? The answer right now is no. Even if it doesn't hurt you, the recommendation to combine the vaccines has yet to be studied. And if you had an antibody treatment with a COVID infection, can you get a booster? UT Health Dr. Louise McCullough has that answer.
It really depends on the severity of the COVID. Initially, we were waiting 90 days, but the chance of getting new variants that are highly infectious is high.
All right, so to reiterate, the FDA has officially recommended boosters for 65 and older. The CDC currently still weighing their exact decision on a recommendation. So if you are immune compromised, meaning an infection could be deadly to you, they say get a booster. If you got Moderna or Johnson & Johnson, wait a little bit. And if you're 65 and got Pfizer and you're still unsure about what to do, talk to your doctor. Andy?
Good advice, Haley. Thanks so much.